So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the app Picsart and add the photo that you're going to want to make an outline with. And so this is going to be the much simpler way to do it, but you can't get as much of a desired effect that you want. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into the app Picsart and then load the photo that you want to do this outline edit on. And then what you're going to do is on the bottom here, there's a tool called FX. Then you can go to the sketch part and then click on the first one and it will make a sketch edit of whatever you have loaded the picture. And as you guys can see, you'll get the outline. You click apply in the top right corner and then you have your image and you can save it to your camera roll. So the second way of making this edit makes it turn out a little bit better than it would with just the line tool. Like if it turns out bad, you can go ahead and do this. On the bottom, you'll see that there is a draw tool. You're going to want to click on that. Go to the paintbrush and make the size, I would say about 2 or 3. And then make sure it says first brush and make sure these are your options here and then click the check. Then go to the color tool and select white or whatever color you want. And then you're going to zoom in and just outline the big portions of the face. So I'm just going to go ahead and outline Hannah's face. You can zoom in and outline her eyes. And as you guys can see, I'm just making pretty much just basic outlines. I'm not doing any kind of like outlining anything too specific and just going over her entire body. It also doesn't have to be perfect because the one in the image isn't. But if you want it to look perfect, you can obviously spend a lot more time just going ahead and editing this. Then you'll see on the bottom right corner, once you have pretty much how you want it, there's going to be this tool with the 3 rectangles. You're just going to want to click on the top layer and then go to the 3 dots that are in this bar here and click transform. And then with 2 fingers, just drag it slightly to the right or to the left. So as you guys can see, I'm just dragging it this way. And you can just see whichever one works best, but since her hair is to the right, it's better if I move this to the right. And then once you have that and arrange it how you want, you can go ahead and click the check mark. And you can always go ahead and fix it. Like if there's something that doesn't look quite right, you can go ahead and fix it. Like her arms aren't connected here. Or her shirt like kind of looks weird. As you guys can see, there's a lot of things you can do, and then you can just click apply and then next and save it to your camera roll, and you have your second option for an end.